Welcome back. We're going for another ride today. This is a 1976 Chevy Corvette, 350 under the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. We're gonna try everything out and see what works, see what doesn't, so you know what you're getting before you get here. Guys, we're located in Hendersonville, Tennessee, about 15 minutes north of Nashville. We do test drive videos every single day. We have all these cars online available for you to watch. If you go to maplemotors.com, click the car you like, click the test drive video, you can see a whole playlist of different cars that are available. For now, hit subscribe, share. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Let's check it out. Place your bet, see you think the horn works. Start her up. Squeaky on the belt. Wipers. Well, they try. Did you see that? Okay, yeah, so the wipers cut on, but the switch is... Something's wrong with the switch. They only come up for the squirters, but the squirter's not working. Anyways. Oil pressure's up, engine temperature, got to give her time. Doors open, we have gas, clock's not working, aftermarket radio, blower motor. AC compressor's hooked up, but it sure ain't working, is it? No. Interior actually is in good shape. Doesn't look bad at all. Turn signals. Blinking on both sides. Tilt column working. Place your bets. You think the horn works? I haven't tried it. I have no clue. Nope. She's not honking. It could be a connection issue. But for now, it's not working. Let's hit the road, see how it runs a drive. All right. Back window on this one's loose too. It needs to be re-glued in. I have y'all glued or suction cup to the back window. I guess that's glass. Sounds like glass. But anyways, it's loose up top. I don't know if maybe I can. It looks like I could put some screws in it, but I mean, if it ain't got a seal, then that's probably where the water's coming from. Either way, it's loose. You need to know about it. Oh yeah, I need to cut a mic on too, or y'all gonna get blasted. Look at me being all responsible and stuff. Kinda. That means I need to put my seatbelt on, right? I think so. Oh, you gotta go extremely slow. There we go. There we go. A little bit slower, I guess. Sloth it. And now we can hit the road. Look, the seatbelt's trying to hug the mic. Everything is messing with me. I'm just gonna go. We're just gonna roll. Here we go. I'll hold it away from you. All right, we're rolling down the road. You're not bouncing everywhere, that's good. Steering, nice and tight. Wind, amazing. It feels good out right now. Steering straight as can be. Speedo's working, it seems a little fast. Engine temperature's coming up. Brakes, not too bad. Getting to the throttle. Passing gear's hooked up. She's got plenty of pep. She gets down. Not too bad. Not too bad for my first time driving this Vette. Like you said, I'm holding the steering wheel away from the mic so it doesn't bother y'all, so you can still hear me. Now the paint on this one's kind of weak, and I'm going to show you that at the end of the video. I always go over the whole car at the end, look at the paint flaws and stuff. Because it seems like it's running and driving pretty good, so we're checking out there. Golly, this dude needs a haircut too. My hair looks wild. It's like Jimmy Neutron right now. Engine temperature is 160-ish. Oil pressure is 55, which is great. Seems to be running smooth. I'll be back with some more outside footage. I'm going to light up the undercarriage and definitely stick around for picking out the flaws if you like this car, because the paint needs some help. I'll be back. Hey, just to let you know, the blower motor started working. Not your high setting though. Oh wait, no. Now the high setting's working. Yeah. It just started working. Must be like a loose connection in there. Hey, my head cam strap thing is sitting at the desk. So, sorry guys. You get the window behind me. Heading on back to the lot now. Engine temperature's at 190, it's all good. Oil pressure's up, looking good. A little bit of a squeaky belt there. Now this thing has a hard time going into park. It's the linkage here on the shifter. You can jam it and then it'll go in. It just needs to be reset up, oiled. Definitely make sure it's in park, because that's a big deal there. Up in the road coming up here, right? Suspension's okay. It's not super stiff, it's not super soft. It's just right there in the middle. Of course, these old Corvettes didn't have the best suspensions on them. They were always a little stiffer as far as a comfort ride. And I noticed they had the mirror upside down earlier. I guess it looks a little better that way. A little closer. All right, let's walk this ride. Paint seems a little weak on this one. You can see it's got a lot of haze to it, a lot of bad spots. Spot here in the bumper. It's a little weak on the paint. Older paint job. Chips. Tires look good up and over the fenders. Chips on the edge of the door. There as well. Spots in the back corner. Chips back here. Backy midsection. Cracks in the paint up top. Scratches and scuffs. Spot on the back bumper as well. Both sides, touch-up marks. In the corners. Cracks in the paint back here. See some hazy spots. Weak paint. Coming down this side. Chips on the edge of the door. Little chips there in the corner. You can see it's flat over here on this side. Light scuffs. Again, that paint's peeling up on the front there, back your middle section. Little chips.
Well, you know, they do fix our teeth. I'm sure there's something they can do.
Cracks around the handle there. Front window, trim looks good. Glass looks good. Real hazy on the back end here. See some light scratches. Chips and scratches there. You see the paint's weak, guys. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now the interior, it's nice. Not perfect, but yes, nice. Got some little spots on the edges, right here. Carpet's in good shape. Got a little moisture in here, look at that. I don't even know where the water came from because it doesn't rain. Unless it was from last week. I guess it did rain this weekend while we were gone, and this one sat on the lot. Is this more wet? No? Not pretty though. Check under the mat. Little damp under the mat. So yeah, both sides getting a little moisture. Corvettes, man, they like to leak. This one likes to squeak a little. Chips on the pillar here. Under the hood, your insulation's got a little wear there. Let's go ahead and lay her down. Shuts good. You can see the old paint on the hood. It just doesn't look that great. All crusty looking. Even the feather blended in. Well, if you got any other questions, no problem at all. I'll send you more information. Look at the 100 detailed pictures. Give us a call at maplemotors.com, and I'll see you in the next video.